Welcome back to the breakdown. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new adhesive-based stand for your car. Now this allows you to plug your phone into it and have your phone mounted on the dashboard or wherever you're putting this of your car, truck, SUV, whatever it may be. Now this has some cool features with it, including the ability to have multiple bases, a quick swap option. So you can take this base and maybe you have an RV and you want to take it there, a boat, or maybe you just have a spouse's car and you want to be able to move this back and forth with it. It's a pretty nice feature. Growing number of cities and states are imposing not just limitations on using your phone in your car, but even holding your phone. To cut back on distracted driving, if you're a driver, you're not supposed to be touching your phone when you're using it. Having a stand like this allows you to mount it in a place where you can easily see it, to have Google Maps maybe up, glance to see who's calling you, and a whole lot more with it while staying in compliance with your local laws and regulations. No one wants that ticket. So we're going to be taking a look at the pros and cons of this. Now, a few things right off the bat. This was a review unit, so thank you so much to the company behind this. Also, this was a product that I have tested from them before in different types. Very excited to see this version of it. They have other ones too, and I'll put links in the show notes down below and up above for car vent mounts and dashboard mounts and more to have this here. So if you want to check this out or see other versions of this, check out the videos there. If you want to find this on Amazon, pricing changes so rapidly. I hate to give you a price here. I will say this is very competitively priced. I'll put a link to it in the show notes down below and in the first pinned comment. Keep that in mind. Pricing changes rapidly. If you want to find it on Amazon there, you can do just that. Also, could you help us grow this channel before we get into the full review? Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. It lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here, so YouTube recommends our videos to more people, helping us grow. We would really appreciate your support. So with that said, let's dive into this. Let's take a look at this car mount. Now, real quick off the bat, it's a pretty standard car mount. You have this adhesive pad here. You peel this off and you stick this on your dashboard. There's instructions, very simple instructions to clean the dashboard, put this on and lock it in place so you get a good solid connection to have it stay in place. There's a lot of motion here you can do. You can loosen these different parts, so move this up or down. You can also extend this right here to have a lot of flexibility to get it just where you want. Let's be honest, we're all different heights, different cars, different dashboards. And then of course you can adjust this however you want it. And then lock it down here to kind of lock it in place to help keep it from moving around once you get it where you want it. Once you put the phone in there, you just suction cup it down. You have a little release button here to pop it out. Let me throw my Pixel 6 Pro in here. Now this is a Pixel 6 Pro with a case. This is a big heavy case. Give you an idea of how sturdy this is. And in our testing, going over railroads and more, we've never had one of these pop loose, open up, or any issues with that. So very, very happy with it. Now, the big selling point here is this part. Now, you flip this little lever here, and then you can twist it. There we go. Pop it off. You just lock it on, lock it off. And this mounts on your dashboard, and this allows you to, like I said, move it around. You get two of these, so you put them in two different parts of your car, maybe one for you, maybe one for your passenger, maybe again, you have an RV, you have a car you drive every day. Well, you now no longer need to go get an RV, or one for your RV. This one will work for both of them. You just hot swap it back and forth. There's a little lever here on the side to lock it in place. Now, right off the bat, very, very happy with it. It's a basic cell phone holder. Doesn't charge, doesn't do anything else. It just holds your phone in place, helping you stay in compliance with the law, helping you not fiddle with your phone, become a distracted driver, and be one of those people who unfortunately causes an accident because they weren't paying attention to the road. So I really do like it. It's a very solid connection, very strong sticky material here. Be very careful to decide where you want this because you're definitely not going to want to move it. You put it in place, you keep moving it, the sticky part of it becomes less and less sticky, making it not worth it. So I would take some time to carefully consider the placement of this first, but overall it's very easy to set up. And it includes some cleaning products, a wet cloth to clean your dashboard and then dry it before you put this on. So there's no dirt and grime between you and the device, making the connection of this device not as strong. So keep that in mind. Overall, 2 thumbs up. A basic, straightforward cell phone mount. But I think the big selling points here is the fact that it's easy to swap it between vehicles, and it's got super strong suction. Honestly, mini suction cup mounts like this don't work all that well after a long time. Having a strong adhesive like this is probably the way to go. So with that said, 2 thumbs up, does what it says it's going to do, does it well. I would recommend. So with that said, I hope this video helped you. If I didn't answer one of your questions, leave me a comment, let me know, and I'll do my best to answer them. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up if you've been here a while. Let YouTube know you enjoy what we do here so we can grow this channel. Until next time, take care, be safe. We'll be back again real soon.